All right. New Holland skid steer repower with a 2.3 liter, episode 2, the skid stang. I have got the motor stuck together. The old carburetor was absolute junk, garbage. So I got rid of that. Found me a 2-barrel off of like 70s, early 80s model F100. Hey, don't be using that. That'll burn you. What are you doing with that? Put it down. Stop messing with it. I mean, maybe not right there, but all right. So, had this rebuilt by a man right around the corner from me. Rebuilt it for me. Got the carburetor and this homemade fancy dandy here spacer from a guy out in Eflin. Raji Pope hooked me up with this and 2 carburetors, and then I took the carburetors to Buster Walker, who usually builds, or he used to build, like the circle track engines for Orange County Speedway. He did a bunch of those, but he rebuilt the carburetor for me. So I gotta put a spacer on here to get it up above all this crap. So let's go ahead and oh my God, why is this so difficult? It just went on like a minute ago. And it doesn't go that way. Sorry, y'all. Being a little goofy today. Sorry. My bad. Oh, look. Now it fits. Yes. Don't put it on wrong. Lovely. It's been so long since I've had this on here, I'm going to have to figure out which way this thing's supposed to go. I feel like it's supposed to go like that. But I'm going to have to do something with that line there. That ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work out. So might do some bendage. Let's see what we can go from there. All right, be right back. So there we go. Rebent the line there. Got the carburetor put down on there. I'm gonna have to tie my wires back. I don't like them touching the fuel line. Put me some hold downs on there. Look at this swanky, super cheap air filter deal here. I figured it'd be plenty for what I'm doing with it. Oh my God, I need both hands. Oh yeah, like a race car. Except, zoom in, there, except all of that. All right. You know what would be fitting? Maybe I can find me a taller air filter. I don't know, I'll come up with something. But got the coil off of a truck I had. Bought me a new ignition box. Now I just got to figure out how to hook all this crap up again, because I didn't take this all apart, so I have no idea how it's supposed to go back together. But we're gonna figure it out. Maybe. Strong maybe. Alright, let's see what happens. Carburetor's on. Air filter is jankily put on. Need to go get me some vacuum hose. Fuel line, I got an electric fuel pump over there somewhere. Need to figure out the wiring harness. And remember where all of my extra parts are, if there was any extra parts. So, you gotta figure out what I need and what I need to buy and how to put it all back together. Alright, so there's my engine compartment for my skid stang. Thinking about taking my little electric fuel pump. I'm just gonna screw it kind of right there. Simple, hopefully it's not in the way. But we'll see. I might move it. A little bit further over this way. Then I can kind of wrap it around the electric wires, you know, for safety reasons. But we'll see. Why is that wet over there? That doesn't look good. Oh, yay. Alright, well, let's see if we can get something going before I start taking the other things apart. So, got my engine put together. Hopefully it runs. Just got the carburetor rebuilt, so that should be a plus. All stuck together. Got the new ignition box. I was going to crank it on the, like, sitting there. But that's a lot of work. Just to wire it up, to have to rewire it, and I hate wiring. I did take the wires apart and I figured out. Let me get where the light, where my phone's not freaking out. Hey, Blue Dog. So, these two, this is power, this goes to ignition, this goes to power, and I think that's it. Everything else is plugged in and goes to where it's supposed to go. All that runs over there to the distributor. Hopefully, that's all right. We'll see. See my bling? The bling bling. That was like $3 on sale at Advance Auto. All right. I put the Jankery that was there before, I put it back on there. Just these legs and stuff. I don't know. I'm just going to set it in there and see how it looks. If I can live with that. I got to remember where all my stuff hooks up at. I think that's what I need. That's where my battery cable goes. Watch out, Luke. Run over out here. Very safe and secure work area. Oh. Stay. I had to tie it like a dog so it wouldn't run away. It was leading downhill.